for any of us.
When I create my music, I feel like an instrument of nature. I wonder what delight nature must feel when we open our hearts and express our God-given talents. The sound of approval rolls across the universe, and the whole world abounds in magic. Wonder fills our hearts for what we have glimpsed for an instant, the playfulness of life. And that's why I love children and learn so much from being around them. I realize that many of our world's problems today, from the inner city crime to large-scale wars and terrorism and our overcrowded prisons, are a result of the fact that children have had their childhood stolen from them. The magic, the wonder, the mystery, and the innocence of a child's heart are the seeds of creativity that will heal the world. I really
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your love and emotion endlessly. 'Cause you're a good girl, you know it.
What y'all know about this?
You act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good girl, and you know it.
Chat, what y'all know about
I know
this?
exactly who you could be.
What y'all know about this?
Just hold on, we're going home.
Didn't say Heartthrob. What up on Twitch, bro?
Just hold on, we're going
What's
home.
happening, Kevin?
It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, we're going home.
Song is so good.
Eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. 'Cause
Hey, I don't care what y'all got to say about the Kendrick beef, about the Drake beef. I don't care about none of that beef, bro. We vegetarian today, okay? All I got to say, hey, when he came out with this track, man, streets went crazy. Streets went crazy.
girl, and you know it.
You act so different around me. Cheers.
'Cause you're a good girl and you know it.
Hey, I don't care what they said.
I know
That
exactly
knew
who
you
you
could
could be.
eat. Just hold on, we're going home. I ain't updated the title on Twitch in like 4 weeks. My bad. Hard to do these things alone.
Just hold on, we're going home.
Today we're talking NFL draft picks. Hey, this go too crazy. Oh snap! Hey chat, how the heck is y'all doing? Y'all want that song title? Y'all want that song? Hey, look at this, look at this. Here it go, here it go. It's called Drake Hold On, We're Going Home, DJ Moonwalker remix. Shout out to DJ Moonwalker. Happy freaking Friday, boys. How are we doing? What the heck is going on, y'all? Hey, chat. Hey, hold on. What the heck is going on, man? How the heck is life? How are we living? How is y'all doing? What's the latest and the greatest? You know, hey, I'm just hoping y'all living a life of just absolute complete abundance. You know what I'm saying? Absolute complete abundance. Oh, hold on. Heartthrob is like, kid. Whoa. What's that? Whoa. Heartthrob hitting us with some mission-driven questions right now. Heartthrob on Twitch hitting us with some mission-driven questions right now. Oh, shoot. We about to solve NASA. Oh, shoot. We about to solve NASA. He's like, what? Let me see. Heartthrob. We gotta answer this. Heartthrob's asking a very simple question. Kenny, what's the name of that song that goes, I want $1 billion. I don't care about how you feel about, potentially maybe this.
Let's be real about
Hey!
it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it.
I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby, got a real problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you
Big
feel about
Goop!
it. I mean, I don't even
Big
really
Goop! Hold on, I got you, mate.
It's not a real problem.
Hey, hold on, mate.
Got it. I need
Hey, there you go.
$1 billion.
For the Bungalators.
I've been in the lab, so
Hey.
I'm not one to see around.
It's right here. It's right here.
I'm not fun to be around.
Hey.
Now I walk the whole field. Ain't no bush to beat around. I take
it from the car, though. I'm the fun to see it ground. You can say I'm on the hunch down. You play me on the hunt down. What up, no? What up, no? Rich Topic, what up? Sebastian, what's good? Hugo Ben, what's good? Who else it was? Joseph, what's good? Dale, Gary, what up, man? Happy Friday, happy Saturday morning, boys.
My favorite drug is hustle. I'm about to relapse. I'm getting
And all this money's out there making these tabs.
Take care of my hood when I'm paying each
Nah, we
tax.
appreciate
I'm
you.
managing my ways.
We appreciate you, my boy.
But they look me up on
We
Google, they
appreciate
teach me
you.
these tabs.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't even really how you feel about it. I mean, I don't really have a real hobby. It's not a real problem. And I still got it. I need $1 billion.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not a
The song
real
is
problem.
freaking elite.
Still got
This
it.
is an
I need
absolute.
$1 billion.
The song is an absolute masterclass. The song speaks to winners. The song speaks to the gents, the ladies that woke up with the mentality of I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna freaking get it today. This is what that song speaks to. He says, let's be real about it. I mean, I don't even care about how you feel about it. I got a real hobby. I need $1 billion. You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. I don't need $1,000. I don't need $2,000. I don't need $4,000. I don't need $5,000. I don't need $100,000. I don't need $500,000. I don't need $1 million. I need $1 billion.
I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't.
And he said, I don't even care. He says, I don't care how you feel about it. He said, F your feelings. I'm getting to the bag. He said, F your feelings. I'm getting to the bag, bro. Come on now. It's simple mathematics. Anyway, Shred Lords, how's everybody doing? Class is now in session. How are we doing, boys? What is the latest? What is the greatest? Let's catch up, man. I got so much goop. I got so much goop I gotta talk about. It's just, bro. OMG. Man gave 0 cares. Dude, you're absolutely freaking. He gave literally 0 F words. Literally 0 freaking F words. Okay, he gave 0 F words. He's so locked. I talked to Kayvon Wednesday. I talked to Kayvon, and I was like, "What are you up to? Okay, what are you up to?" And Kayvon hit me with bro, I got a song dropping every month. When I called him, he had a fresh haircut because he had a fresh video content shoot that whole week before. Freaking, he's doing incredibly good at his tech platform. And bro, he's crushing it. This man is literally about to go on the run of a lifetime. And that's what I'm surrounding myself with. I'm surrounding myself by chat. I'm surrounding myself by Kayvon. Absolute freaking beast mode freaking human beings. Bro, I'm making it a habit to surround myself by beast mode human beings. Isn't that freaking electric? Bro, beast mode human beings, bro. Freaking crazy, dude. Anyway, what y'all been up to? It's Friday, bro. I'm geeked. I know the stream is super late today. The stream is super late today. I apologize. I have a whole holding company to run in the daytime. But it has been absolutely crazy. It has been the wildest, most productive, most epic day so far for the year for me. It's, bro, W's all around. As soon as I woke up super early, crazy good calls, crazy good updates, crazy, bro. Everything's just a W. Everything's a W. So I'm gonna spam how I'm personally doing out of 5. You know what I'm saying? But I'd love to hear how you guys are doing out of 5. All right. So spill the deets, drop it in the chat, whether you're on Twitch or whether you're on YouTube. Spam out of 5 how the heck you're doing today. Okay. Because we're gonna figure out what where the average is. You know what I'm saying? Because I think I care a lot about how the boys is doing and the girls is doing. Okay. And I'm gonna make my comments and my language more universal because I saw some girls join the streams. All right. Don't think I don't notice you ladies. I see you here. I see you and I appreciate you. And you all are showing up and you're showing out. So W ladies, I see you in the Discord. I see the ladies joining the Discord, right? Why so late, brother? We got a whole bunch of work to do. We run we run billion-dollar enterprises in the daytime. We run billion-dollar enterprises in the daytime. You know? So apologies if it's late. Apologies if it's late, man. We had a stack day. Lyrics 2, what up, cuz? How the heck you doing, man? Oh, snap, Lyrics 2. I hope your studies are going well. I hope school's going well. I hope everything in your data science world is going well. What? I don't know. What? That's a weird message. But chat, I'm glad you guys are crushing it. I'm glad you guys are living life abundantly. Rich topic. I hope you're doing well, man. Thank you for choosing to watch the Bungalators and the Shred Lords over the Spurs. You know what I'm saying? Over the Spurs. Sebastian, hold on, Sebastian. You've been crushing it, bro. You have been crushing it, Sebastian. I've been peeping what you've been up to. You're taking this whole take private thing to the whole nother level. All right. Not only did you do a little memo on SCI, you also did a little write up in a memo on JBI. You know what I'm saying? And you got approval. I don't want to say approval, but you got recognition from when from what the heck is that thing called? From freaking what is his name? A-Dub. I saw that chat yesterday, and I was like, A-Dub said you did some good work. And I trust A-Dub. I trust him. That boy's a goddamn shred lord. You know what I'm saying? That man, I got much respect for Top Dog A-Dub. You know what I'm saying? Lyrics 2, you doing good? Hey man, don't just give me no doing good, bro. Don't just give me no doing good. Spill the deets, man. You've been cranking, you've been working, you've been up to something. What you been up to, bro? What the heck you been up to, man? I want to know, bro. I want to know. Spill the deets on everything. And that's for all y'all. Spill all the deets. What y'all got up to, man? Sebastian, how'd you find JBI? How'd you find JBI? Always G, I don't feel as lonely when I'm here for real. I'll fuck with y'all. Hey, Richard, hey, Rich Topic, we F with you too, bro. You're always talking here. This is family, cuz. This is family, bro. That's how we rocking and rolling. Kenny, I messaged you. Please, on here? I see all the messages on YouTube chat. I don't do the privates. My Anna, my sister, she runs all the privates. So sourcing every day. Nobody will cook the Peruvian guy again. Oh snap! Hey, I like that. Hey, that kid's hungry. That kid's hungry, bro. Go hard. Okay, Sebastian, are you applying to any of like the programs, like the internships or anything? What year are you, by the way? Let's get a little glimpse into your career progression. What are you up to? What's your year? What you're studying at the Purple School? What are you up to, dude? Let's be real about it. Let's be real about it. Chat, how much water y'all drank today? I think I went to the bathroom 17 times today. I drank so much water. So much water. On Discord? I don't check DMs on Discord. I don't even think I allow that. I don't think I allow DMs on Discord. Besides A-Dub, because A-Dub is the CIO, so Anna gives me those messages. I need your advice on selecting my elective subjects. Like high school electives? Double major, finance, and BIS? What is this? Wait, you students in the chat, what is this language you guys are talking about? What are these? What the heck? What's a BIS? What's elective subjects and what's a BIS? I don't understand this student language. College, you don't remember me? I am Hargo Ben. Biz Info Systems, Business Information Systems. I know Hargo Ben. I said your name. I know your name. You're a shred lord. The other college. They do electives in college? Don't you just get it? Wait, what? Guys, I've been out of school for a long time. bro, school stuff and trying to get an internship. Where are you trying to get an internship? Oh, you're doing investment banking this summer, Sebastian? Wait, where? Where? I have people everywhere. I have people everywhere. The people in my circle are probably now the like MDs and VPs at these firms. So they're gonna be your bosses. JP Morgan? Okay, do you have a coverage group or team yet? Or you haven't been assigned that? I want to get into Blackstone PE Infra for full time. Okay, go goop, go goop, go goop. Wait, you guys want to hear a song? Let me play some songs for you guys. Hold on, let me play some good goop. Let me play some good goop. I got some. Also, who's got some good song recommendations? Who's got some good song recommendations? Wait, oh my God, Sebastian, you're doing TMT? TMTs! TMTs! Sheesh. TMTs. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? We're gonna play some vibes. Are you guys ready? And also, feel free to chime in with any other vibes. We're gonna set this Friday vibes, right? Any other vibes? All right, let's rock and roll.
Switch to Chrome.
Nope, not that. Not that, chat. Switch to Chrome. WAD, Oak Ridge Innovation Summit. Boom, boom. Okay, lock and loaded. Chat, what do you guys think of this? Let's see if this got aura. You think? Let's do an aura test. Let's do an aura test. All right, chat. We're gonna do an aura test. All right. An aura test. 3, 2, 1. Aura test, aura test. Aura test, aura test. What do you think? What do you think? If you like it, smash that like button on YouTube. Beethoven? It does sound like Beethoven. I'm Florida, trips to Florida. Okay, wait, that's a really good one, bros. That's a really freaking good one. That's a really freaking good one. Who else has other good like alternative like songs like this? What else? What else? Let's finish this. Let's finish this one. Let's finish this one. This one's so freaking good. We're playing absolute freaking bangers, and Sebastian's out here putting a complete investment memo in the chat. W Sebastian, you're such a freaking shredlord beast mode kid. Let's go.
And if somebody would have told me a month
Month
ago,
ago, didn't know, yo, I wouldn't want to know.
If somebody would have told me a year ago,
And I go get this difficult. Nah, keep it going, Sebastian. Keep it going, bro. Stay locked in, kid. All right, this is gonna get you to, you're gonna achieve big things in life. Big things, big whoop. Be coming at me talking about OMG, this is a finance YouTuber. All he does is saying, I'm Filipino. I have Filipino in my blood. If I do not do karaoke at least 3 times a day, it is detrimental to my health and wellness. That's what happens when you mix black and Filipino. You get a soul shred lord that loves to sing. It's called rhythm, suckers. What's the one you said, bro? Let's try this one. Let's see what kind of goop this one is. Let's see if this is good goop. Get more song recommendations, chat. We're banging. We're bumping everything. We're bumping it. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know how to vibe to this yet. Is this regular Daft Punk? Wait, this is just Daft Punk. I think this is just Daft Punk. This isn't like a real remix. Polo and Pan windmills. Whoa!
Make it, do it, makes us
On your mind.
harder,
Better,
faster,
faster.
stronger. More than
Oh, okay. That's up next. That's up next, A-Dub. That's up next, A-Dub. I don't know. Wait, this is a regular.
ever.
This is just regular Daft Punk,
Work is over.
right?
Work it, make it, do it,
Makes us. Harder, better, faster, stronger. When is it gonna get to the Kanye part? This doesn't really seem like a remix. Faster, stronger. Oh wait, hold on, here we go.
Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour. Work is never over.
I lied.
Work it harder, make it
This is a
better,
banger.
do it faster, makes us stronger more than ever. After our work is never over. Work it harder, make it better. Do it faster, makes us stronger more than ever. After our work is never.
Club no more. This is me at the club. This is we at the club, chat. Hey, chat, it's Friday night. We at the club, chat. Turn me up. Hey, somebody order bottle service but a Bangladesh.
If you got hit,
Okay, A-Dub. A lot of your reputation relies on this. A-Dub, a lot of your reputation relies on this, bro. A lot of it, okay? I've never heard this ever in my life, okay? I'm here. I'm checking the vibes. You have sound investment judgment. Your turtle parameters work really well. I think you're a great finance guy. But a lot of your reputation is gonna be, hinged upon this. All right? Chat, where's Garrett? Garrett, are you here? Garrett, where you at? Garrett, are you here? Miami legend, Garrett. Chief Gulag Officer. If this song sucks, please expeditiously ban A-Dub, send him to the Gulag forever. Okay? If this song sucks, and then the next song we're gonna play is Tory Lanez The Color. Wait, didn't Corey Lane shoot a girl? Wait, didn't Tory Lanez shoot a girl? What the heck? Will you listen to that? JK, we don't care what people do as long as they make good music. All right, so we're gonna listen to The Color Violet after this. So Garrett, be prepared. If Polo and Pond Windmills of Your Mind Extended Remix sucks, Gulag. If Tory Lanez The Color Violet sucks, Gulag. Okay? No redemption. Moving forward, we may proceed. This sound like Willy Wonka, don't it? This is nuts. Hey, 10 p.m. PM in Greece type vibes. On a yacht. But it does sound like a Oompa Loompa song.
Like the circles that you find in the windmill.
Right? Imagine, it's like these guys singing. It's good. Hey, A-Dub, you passed. You passed. You passed. All right. A-Dub, you passed, Top Dog Shredlord. Okay, hey, no need to send him to the gulag today. Not today, not today. No need to send him to the gulag today. Well done. That was a vibe. I've never heard that song ever in my life. I've never heard that song ever in my life. 5 models, Kenny, Wine, and Santorino. I like that setup. I like that setup, bro. Okay, Sebastian, who's that? Hey, guys, spam your music. So we're gonna play your music taste. We're gonna play your music taste. Okay, I'm risking my copyright status for you guys to vibe out. And then a little bit we gotta actually talk business. We gotta talk NFL players and their bonuses. Okay. So NFL bonuses. I got some young bulls from the University of Michigan that got drafted, and I help them out every year with their money and making smart money moves. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the playbooks I told them. Where is Sebastian? What's your song? Ba, 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 ba. Wait, Sebastian, what's your song? For your IBJPM? Hey, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Wait, okay, what's the typical length of internships in America? In India, it's generally 2 to 4 months. Damn. Hey, Hargo Ben, let's get can I get a little internship? Can I get a little internship set up? Where are the best interns in all of like what are the schools that they go to? Oh, Nick Salvaggio. Que tal, amigo? How you doing, Nick? What's up, Top Dog Charlotte? Thank you for subbing, even though we're vibing out right now. I promise you, we get a crap ton of work done. But right now, it's like Friday party time. So instead of me going to the club, I'm just preempting the endorphins, the party on the computer right now before we dive into some smart money moves. But welcome to the fam, Nick. Okay, you said Tory Lanez. Proud Family? Oh, The Color Violet. Ooh, hold on. This might be a good goop. Hold on. Okay, Sebastian. Do you want your reputation to lie on this song? I don't think I've heard this song. Are you willing to put your reputation, Sebastian, on this song? Are you willing to do it? Are you willing to do that, Sebastian? Are you going to put your name on the line for this? Before I press play, are you put conviction? Conviction, chat. Let's go.
This week, we're hosting a free trading and investing
How about
workshop
you-
right here in Irvine.
You shut the hell up. I don't want to go to none of your damn trading and investing workshops in Irvine. How about you kiss my... I actually know this song. I took my charge and took my loving when I left on the spot. I left the party back in X on the dot. Told her I'm a loner. Hey, that's my Pfizer, my Versap, and my Perfona. This is good. This is good goo. This is good goo. On my radar, had some nerve to pay her. I dated for my chance. I lost my heart. Sweet car going 90 in the rain. This is good goo. I wanna stay, but flavors we don't. Dance. Oh, I got some more goo for you guys. Hold up. Okay. My turn. It's my turn after this song, and then Hargo Ben, it's your turn after my turn. Okay, Hargo Ben, you got to give us a song you listen to. My turn next, guys. My turn. Now I won't dance again. Pretty baby. Ooh. Wow. What a good pick. Wait, boys, are we light skinned tonight? Okay, maybe I can't play this on. My mom watches the streams.
She's got my pager, blankets of love for my eyes. Then I'm reminded, love don't come till you find it. I just hope that it's working. I'm yearning, I'm searching.
Different language. I'm all for all languages. Oh snap! Okay, my turn. So this song, it's a similar vibe. Apologies, it's a little vulgar. Apologies, it's a little vulgar. So VOD watchers are gonna be muted. For folks out there, it's don't listen to the lyrics too much. Just listen to the vibe. This is so good. Okay, so good. Context. Kenny Finance at a wedding in freaking the most beautiful place in South Carolina. Absolute epic. I was the best man at the wedding. One of my best friends, he works at a hedge fund. He got married. Absolute bangers. It's the after party. It's like 3 a.m. Vibes are just immaculate globally. I was listening to this song way before, and I was like, this is just absolutely crazy. But then all of a sudden, my freaking friend, one of my friends, she puts this song on. And I'm like, how do you know ball like this? And it was just, bro, it just hold up.
When a shopping cart smashed my head.
It's so good, chat. It's so freaking good. This might be an elite cut. This is an elite cut. This is deep ball knowledge right here. This is deep ball now. It's a little vulgar, so sincere apologies ahead of time and disclaimer is a little vulgar, but it's a really, really, really good one. And then there's the Wegovy GLP-1 weight loss pill. But wow. Let's see what they got. Okay, wait. Whose turn after this? Okay, it's Hargo Ben's turn, and then I don't know who's Heartthrob. But you said watching. If you said watching Heartthrob, give us a song. Okay, before we go to the real business. Oh, wait. Okay, I lied. One more song on my end, and I'm done. One more song. Okay. I guess we are kind of feeling light-skinned today. I don't know why. I think it's just kind of like, it was like a really bright day outside. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one. Okay. What am I doing on here? I can just play it on Spotify. I was just gonna play it on Spotify for the bungle leaders, for the boys. Okay, here's my next song. I promise. And my last one, and then I'm gonna go to the. Okay, here we go. All right. This one is for not Rich Topic, but Richard. I think Richard's asleep, but Richard is the biggest light skin in the chat. He's the biggest light skin in the chat. Okay. He's locked in, but he's still recovering from heartbreak. All right. And this song is dedicated to all the light-skinned shred lords. All right, light-skinned shred lords. Okay, it's okay to have a broken heart while you're building your freaking empire. All right, boys and girls.
How am I supposed to let you go?
This is so good.
How am I supposed to let you walk away?
This is so good.
How am I supposed to let you go? You're all I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted in my. You're all I ever wanted in my. All I ever wanted in my life.
So good.
You all
I ever wanted in my.
You all I ever wanted in my. You all I ever wanted in my.
And I'm like, what's up?
Sipping on Fanta, black Wakanda. Let me remind ya, Rocky designer, Roxanne my binder. She my type of liner. You would never find her. I would do the same if I had cash and I had time for her. Who said we had to be second-hand lovers? You know we play the game, we need each other. Angel dust. Shawty always got me tripping like angel dust. Everywhere she goes, you always see me. I'm flocking. Shawty, you stuck with me like I'm stuck in your teeth. No flaws.
Up on her ring, I pull up in a GT. That's the turn easy. All because she easy.
Her friends talking down on me. She baby, she don't listen. She double the hand and she slutty. She slapped the devil and told him that my girl harder. Even way too tone on her. With the way you whine, yo. Who touch ya? Got my hands on your
Body.
Please
Don't break my heart. You want it, I want it in mine.
You
Want it, I want it in mine. Want it, I want it in mine. And I like, what's up? Sipping on Fanta, black night, Wakanda. Let me remind ya, fucking designer. She's my banda, she my type of liner. You will never find her.
I would do the same if I have cash and I had time for her. Who said we had to be second-hand lovers? You know we stay together, we need each other.
The song's good, right?
We need each other. It's a Lamborghini, baby, are you with me? She do Bobby Whitney, that booty always tempting. Why are you here simping? I sing a whole symphony. I took her to the Gucci store and walked out with some Tiffany. Now we here singing all these love songs. Girl, you give me love songs.
Saying we're not undertone, yeah.
You know I've been in
On the exit, I need you to get it out and do us. Outside, back to the outside, the third and my right side.
Let's go outside. Outside, my block is outside. You want it,
ever want it in my.
You want
it, ever want it in my.
You
Want it, ever want it in my. And I like, what's up? Sipping on Fanta, black night, Wakanda.
Let me remind ya,
Walking designer, Roxanne my binder. She my type of liner. You will never find her.
How am I supposed to let
Hey,
you go?
she my type of liner.
How am I supposed
You will
to
never
let you
find
walk
her.
away? How am I supposed to let you go?
That's elite level group. That's elite level group right there. That's elite level group, boys. That's elite level group. You know what I'm saying? I rock with that, man. I rock with that, boys. Hold on.
ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ
Oh shit!
ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ ਦੇ ਦੂੰਗੀ ਮੈਂ
Hey!
ਚਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਦੇਂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਸੁਣ ਲਾ ਵੀ ਰਿੱਟੋ ਸਿਮ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆਲਾ ਫੋਟੋ ਵੇ ਫਰਾਰੀ ਲਾਲ ਦੀ ਚੁੰਨੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਚੁੰਨੀ
Oh wait,
ਮੇਰੀ
video,
ਰੰਗ
play
ਦੇ
the video, play the
ਲਲਾਰੀਆ।
video. Wait, this is already goddamn bang. This already a damn banger.
ਲਲਾਰੀਆ ਵੇ
Boys, how can I meet her? Who knows? Anybody got a plug? I just need lunch with this lady here. I just need lunch to introduce myself. I just need lunch chat to introduce myself. That is all I ask. She's one of the most beautiful women I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God. Jesus. All right, I got lucky. I want to go party in India. That's a whole freaking vibe, boys. That's a whole freaking vibe, dogs. Okay, time to lock in. Let's go. So, chat, we're looking at a take private of JBI Enterprises today. Okay, and let's lock in here. Proposed take private of Janus International Group, JBI. They're global smart access and self-storage. Let's check to see their website. What they're doing. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got for the bungalators. Okay, Janus International Group, from self-storage buildings to doors and hallways and installation automation. Okay. Let's see what kind of group we got. Let's see what kind of group we got. Right off the bat, what I'm curious about is replacement cycles. I'm curious about their inflation costs and their input costs. I'm curious what kind of leverage this thing has, as well as the market share that they have across the storage units, as well as what is the preferred buying criteria of the storage builders and developers. Like, what are they looking for? Are they looking for cheapest? Are they looking at these things? Like, are they looking for the strength? Like, what are they looking for? I assume that they're very price sensitive. And I assume that this business has a little bit of some stuff going on with the goop and quarterly cost inflation. Let's see. Rami Jackson, you freaking shred lord. And Anselm Wong, what's up, legend? How y'all doing? Give us some good goop. Y'all got a good business or what, boys? Y'all got a good business or what? Let's play a little bit of the reading music. I need my reading music, guys. Oh, he's a bold CEO or bald? Oh, bald CEO. You meant bald CEO. Okay, so for 2025, they did huh? I don't even know you yet, and you already looking at me weird. I delivered 884 million in total revenue compared to 964 million in 2024. Adjusted EBITDA of 168 million, down 20% year over year. That's not a good first impression. I don't know. Now it looks kind of funny. Now I'm kind of wondering what the heck's going on here? What do you mean just continue? Dude, if it's not my type, why would I go up and talk to her? If she's not my type, why would I go up and talk to her? Right? Think about it. What, bro, just think about it. If she's not my type, why would I even spend the time going up and talking to her? I'm not in the business of making friends, bro. I'm looking for a partnership. And it's obvious that this just might not be a fit, bro. Bro, if I see she's outside of the club vaping, that's probably not my wife. The first slide is this business vaping. How am I supposed to build a future with this? Like, are you serious? Are you freaking serious? Sebastian, we gave you all week to come up with some good goop. And you give us this crap right here? You just had good music taste, bro. You literally just had good music taste. The heck? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. What are they? Really don't freaking get it. But the free cash flow generation ability is increasing. Hold on. Hold on though, chat. You see this free cash flow generation? Okay. 79 million. Doubling up to 196 million. Went down to 134 million. And then, okay. Okay. Debt to net income has steadily been increasing like crazy. They delevered. Now they relevered. A-Dub, did you put this through the turtle? Did you put this through the turtle, A-Dub? This one doesn't make any sense to me. I haven't even read the thesis yet. Sebastian, bro, it's already a head scratcher. It's already a head scratcher. And you want to pay a 21% premium on this piece of crap? The heck? All right, here we go. Proceed with exclusivity and full IC approval at $7 a share relative to, where's it currently trading at? $5.75. You want to pay hold on. You're trying to tell me you want to pay a 21% premium for a business that is declining 21% year over year. People usually pay for growth. Like taking the big picture, take private guy. People usually pay for growth. People usually pay for future value. If a business isn't growing, it's deteriorating value, bro. And their EBITDA margins are declining. EBITDA's falling, bro. EBITDA's falling, bro. Make it make sense, bro. Dude, I could have kept doing karaoke. This really grinds my gears. Anyway, I'm joking with you. I'm busting your balls. I'm joking. All right, let's give it a shot. So, a 21% premium to spot is at the lower end of the industrial take private premium range, and the border brook. Let's go. North American self-storage building solutions market is structurally attractive for a take-private LBO. More than 42% of U.S. self-storage inventory exceeds 30 years of age, creating an existential renovation demand that is non-cyclical, non-deferrable, and rate insensitive. Okay. Self-storage service penetration. You should try Hollywood? Wait, like an actor? Hey, my grandma said the same thing. I'm for real, y'all. My grandma said the same thing. I technically am an actor because YouTube kind of is like Hollywood in a little bit, but my grandma said I should be an actor though. For real. Y'all think I should be a good actor? Hey, I'm with it. Okay. An entertainer. Okay. You know what's really entertaining? This pitch. Sebastian, are you playing a joke on us? We all thought you were dead serious. Are you playing a joke on me? This thing kind of sucks. Like, you have to think about the business relative to other investment opportunities. Like, does this have a strong return on invested capital relative to everything else I could possibly invest in? Right? Think about it that way. Like, I'm not comparing it to just industrial self-storage businesses. I'm comparing it to like literally every other asset class that I can deploy capital into. Like S&P 500. Right? Like, if a business is not going to give me better compelling returns than the S&P 500, I think it's a dog shit business. Plain and simple. That's my thesis. You know what I'm saying, chat? That's my thesis. You know? Ba-boom, ba-ba-boom. Rolled steel is the primary input? Okay. Is an unambiguous market leader in self-storage building solutions. 800 million free cash flow with net leverage. This don't make no sense. 2 times net leverage? Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat. We gotta do some investigations. We gotta do some investigations, chat. Oh, my computer's slow today. Ba, 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. I don't think this is real EBITDA. EBIT. Steadily declining. Service revenue is going up. That's good to see. You can okay, so the Huggerman, that's a good point. I didn't know they did have investment clubs. Start your own. That's a good point. Also, the perks of investment clubs in college is to get experience pitching investments. You know, I think you can get some really solid, really good experience by pitching. I think it's a really good experience pitching here to Chat Capital. Have you pitched a stock yet? Have you actually like submitted a pitch? This is kind of like an investment club here. Although in 3 to 5 premium colleges that have that, and they're very expensive. Hey man, out hustle them. Their competition. Eat their lunch. Eat their freaking lunch. My thing, Sebastian, is I don't see this business growing. This is very ambitious. This is extremely ambitious. Businesses usually, like private equity investors usually don't underwrite. My biggest red flag is, I think Boogie told you this before, but I think the biggest red flag is your value creation levers. We don't assume margin expansion. Organic EBITDA growth. Expanding like this. Debt pay down. Like if you take this away, this is reasonable. If you take this away, what is modeled overlap rounding? Does it actually give you Excel? You actually made this, Sebastian? Oh, this is SCI. Where's the one for what's the name? Did Claude make this? Did Claude make this or you made this? Like, is Claude this good now? Wait, Claude made this? Wait, actually though? This is low-key's not bad. Oh, you made this? Okay, alright, fine. I was about to say, like, this is like, it would be amazing if Claude was able to like do this stuff. All right, it's little Sebastian. I see Sebastian out here making these little tight favorite memos. I'm not gonna go too crazy on this one. I ain't gonna go too crazy on that one. Ooh, ah. A 21% premium to the stock price of the business that's declining and EBITDA margins is falling to the freaking roof, like falling to the freaking floor. Make it make sense, bro. Make it make sense. I don't know, guys. I don't know.
Do you think you know everything about leadership?
I don't know, boys.
I'm Joe Cass, host.
Why do they always give me ads on here? Always give me ads. Braz, Top Dog, Shred Lord, you got some Goof Force too? I'm gonna put you on. I'm a big believer in HIMX. What do you think about it? Well, let's be real about it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what Goldman says. What is a HIMX? What is a HIMX? What's a HIMX? HIMAX. Ooh. You have to give us music recommendations. Everyone give us the music recommendations but you, bro. HIMAX. Okay. Oh, they don't even cover this name. There's not even much coverage on this name. Bro, there's no coverage on this name. A fabulous semiconductor company? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see what kind of goop we got. Oh, it's a Chinese business? To Kodak. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, chat. So, fourth quarter 2025 financial summary, revenues for gross margin, and the guidance. Full year revenue down 8% year over year. Gross margins flat. OpEx is boom. Net profit declining 30. So, Braz, do me a huge favor. Why are you also pitching? What is up with you guys today? Why are you guys giving me these businesses that are declining? What is this scoop? What is this scoop? Bro, Sebastian, Braz, is this pick a joke on Kenny Finance Day? Sebastian's telling me a business that goes down 10%. Braz is telling me a business that goes down 8%. The company's, and it's a semiconductor business, and it's declining. It's a semiconductor business and it's freaking declining. That's like bro, that's like being that's like being in the NBA and not even knowing how to dribble a basketball. What the heck? Huh? What in the world? No sé. No sé. No me sabía ese negocio. No se sabía ese negocio. ¿Es este negocio malo o bueno? No sé. Oh, AR glasses? AR tracking? Okay, let's check the stock. Let's check the stock. It's up 10% today? You got in at $3? Wait, you 4x this? 40%, 70%? 5 years? Okay, that makes sense. Give me a cigarette butt. Give me a cigarette butt. Chat, what is this? Okay, hold on. I don't know, man. What's the catalyst, though? Okay, Brass, you got the floor. What's the catalyst on this? Yes, you are right, Jack. You are very right, Jack. It is semiconductor. But for this one, it's like AR semiconductor. This could be a whole different... this is the first AR semiconductor business I've heard about. It's the first one I've heard about. He said, genius, buy it now. For a business that has 75% declining net income. They were the tech behind Google Glass? Really? But you know, Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Buy it. Don't even need to understand how it works. It's a chip. Oh, what do you think? Jack really likes this one. I don't know how. It's one of those distressed ones, probably. Okay, let's go to they're a Chinese business. So I don't know if they have like 10Ks. Do they have like 10Ks? Nah, they don't even do that. They don't even do that, shawty. They don't even do that. Let's see what they got here. Esta noche. From my experience, I think this one's gonna go to 0. If I'm being very honest. So if you made a 4x, don't be greedy, bro. Don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. Like if you already made a 4x on this, get your chips and get out of there, bro. This business is like not moving. The business is like not moving. That means that like they're producing a product that no one wants. Everyone in the entire AI ecosystem is experiencing at least a 20, 30, 40, 50% clip in top line, but no one wants this. Like what they're doing is they're just selling it to existing customers, and odds are they're probably just increasing pricing a little bit to match their increase in cost. If revenue's falling like they mentioned, I read it backwards too, chat. Oh my gosh, I was a dummy. I read it from right to left. It's from left to right. It's even worse. Going from $1 billion in top line, but it's like steadily declining revenue in the industry that's taking off. Oh, these sheets. This is called a 10. Oh, this is an annual report. Oh, okay. Pause. This might be a great education opportunity. Lock in. We make smart money moves here. So, Braz, when I think about a business, you want to think about a business essentially like doing a research project before you commit to something. Sebastian, shut up. Your business also sucks. I got you. It's my nephew. He asked me the same question the other day. Like, what is the stock and how do I analyze it? Think of it like this. If you wanted to go buy a lemonade stand Would you simply buy the lemonade stand because the sign said, "We sell lemonades"? No. A sound approach in investing and acquiring and owning a lemonade stand is you will want to understand a few things. What is the lemonade that they're selling? Where's their storefront location and site placement? What is the average traffic of people walking and going around that lemonade stand? What is their typical conversion rate of people that talk to the lemonade stand host as well as convert into actual customers? What is the last 5 to 10 years of operating data in history? How many lemonades are they selling? What is the average price and how has that trended over time? Do we have any concentration? Are we selling all the lemonade to one key house and family? And is that family going to move out of the neighborhood in the next 2 to 12 months? Right? On the cost structure, help me understand the cost structure for this. Where are we sourcing our lemonades? Are we buying them from the farmer's market? Are we getting them for free from mom or pa? Are we finding them, somewhere else? What's our cost structure? And what is our expectation of the price of lemons going forward? Are we going to have to instead pay $10 for lemonades when we used to pay $5, right? Are we seeing inflation in our cost structure? What is our marketing cost? How much did it cost to have that sign? Do we have to put any flyers? Do we need to go to Staples to make new pamphlets and flyers? What about the team? Overhead, right? Is it just me producing all the lemons myself? Or do I have to hire someone else, right? Things like that. And all of this is just helpful and insightful information to help you arrive at a pretty compelling conclusion of if this is a good or bad business. Because when I own an asset, I want to have very clear certainty and visibility that the business is going to be able to generate and unlock sufficient cash flow. I only care about one thing. I don't care what kind of lemonade, what lemons you're selling. I care about one thing. How much cash are you bringing in from that business every month, every year? Cash, pure cash. That's what I care about. I don't care how you're growing it. I don't care how you're squeezing margins. I care about cash, right? And so from this right here, Braz, right? I'm so glad you did this because I'm going to point my nephew to this exact same segment in the stream because this right here, this is kind of like a report that every publicly traded business has to produce that gives you color on everything I just mentioned. The revenues from third parties, related parties, their cost structures, how much does it cost to produce their goods, how much profit they're getting, how much do they pay in interest, the change value of their financial assets, financing costs, right? We also get to understand and know their cash flow, right? How much cash is coming in every single year, right? Things like that. Balance sheet, how much the property, plant, and equipment is, book value of some of their other existing assets. Like this is a really critical thing to read. And I highly recommend every investor, before you even invest into a company, read these things. It comes out every quarter. It comes out every year. So read these things to understand what is happening with this business. And we live now in a world of AI. So before you buy a stock, you should always ask Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, give me a summary of the latest earnings report in the 10K and give me the commentary around what's been happening with the business and its cash flow potential, right? What do I see from cash flow? I like to see if the business has too much cash tied up in non-productive things or areas. I like to see if they're generating a strong return on invested cash, meaning if they generate $100 of cash flow, do they make a sound decision with that $100 of cash flow? Meaning opening up a second location, meaning hiring another team member to do more lemons a year or produce more lemons per year, or increasing and investing in equipment to automate operations. Let me tell you a good and a bad use of $100 of cash from a lemon, right? Lemonade stand. If my lemonade stand made $100 and I had $100 of cash flow, the worst thing I could do is take that $100 of cash flow and just pay myself an extra salary, even though we haven't really improved. One of the best things we can do is invest in a automatic lemon squeezer so that my output of lemon juices per day 5x's. That's a good use of cash. And looking at these financial statements, you can see when a business has cash coming in, where does that cash go? Does it go to compensation? Does it go to hiring new people? Does it go to distribution to shareholders? Does it go to buying additional property, plant, and equipment? And if it does that investment in property, plant, and equipment lead to increased higher revenue or productivity per employee? Things like that. Right? So you kind of ask yourself these questions, guys, of like, what's the good use of cash there? Thank you guys for joining today's learning session. And with that in mind, Braz, I don't want to tell you guys what to do. I don't make investment recommendations, but if you made a solid 4x on this investment, I would get out and reallocate to a better. Is there anything that you see that's positive here? No, not at all. Not at all. And I'm keeping it a buck. Not at all. Not at all. I would stay away from this with a 10-foot pole. And it's no disrespect to you or your ability to invest. It's simply just a name, right? It's just not my type, boys. It's not my type. Of course, broski. Of course. Okay. The point and the reason why we're having conversations is we need to talk about the NFL draft pick. NFL draft, baby. NFL draft. What they talking about for them young bulls? For them young bulls. Where they at, though? Let's see what they got going on, man. Hey, shout out to that man, Fernando Mendoza. Top dog, top dog. Shout out to Fernando Mendoza. Big Ten, top dog, shred lord. He went to, who did he get drafted to? Okay, he got drafted to the Oakland Raiders. Wait, is it Oakland Raiders or Las Vegas Raiders? Huh? Oakland or what's the name? Where's my Michigan guys? Where's my Michigan? Come on, Michigan. Come on. No one from Michigan went first round? Hold on. That has to be incorrect. That has to be incorrect. What the heck? Okay, what about second round? Michigan. Oh, there we are. Hey, he got, whoa, let's go. And he's going to Detroit. Oh, that's funny. All right, Marlon Clean. Yeah. Las Vegas Raiders. Yeah, that's what I thought. From your experience, what is the best decision you have made in the return? And also, what is your thoughts on the music industry? I'm not really an artist, so I don't know much about the music industry. When Kayvon comes on stream. Wait, where do you see TCU? TCU? Hey, TCU, Bud Clark, what up, twin? Hey, shout out to the Purple School. Shout out to them Purple Boys. Shred Lords. Yeah, I'm not an artist, so I don't really know much about the music scene. Oh, Malachi Lawrence, he got drafted? Go crazy then. Go crazy. Oh, okay. Oh, we did a segment on that a while ago. But if I were to invest in music, I don't know. I would. You really got to ask yourself, like, I think music is a winner-take-all type of experience. You know, it's a winner-take-all experience. I think there's going to be. I don't, bro. I just buy Spotify, right? Right? Like if I were to do music, shouldn't I just buy Spotify? Theoretically, right? They're taking all the confusing rhetoric out of it. Isn't the best play to just be own Spotify? Right? Oh, you work in music? Oh, okay. I wanted to think your thoughts on music as a business owner. Okay, but give me like a vertical. I gotta get into that mindset. Give me like a vertical for music? Like, what's like your music business? Are you like A&R? Apple pays better for artists? Really? Are artists trying to be more independent? Things like that. But as a business owner in the music industry, the most attractive vertical for me, I think currently in the music niche, it's not in writing, it's not in A&R, it's not in like talent management. If anything, if I were to invest in music, I would invest in events and live production. Like if I were to actually, like, as a private equity play, invest behind the music mega theme, I would invest in the events and production. Because if you think about it, the mega trend is people love experiencing music. I think that's a fundamental human necessity in large metropolitan areas. People want to experience music. And for anyone looking to experience music, I think you need to have event production, security, field management, pop-up vendors, things like that. And those are existing cash flowing business with recurring calendars, cheaper cost basis, things like that. You know? Like that, if I like putting my private equity hat on, if I had to invest in the music or like area, I would pick that vertical. I haven't looked too much into like the agencies and like the artist rates and all that, so I don't have a point of view yet. Not really though. You could get yourself a porta potty business that only sells to festivals. You know? Oh, Danes, what up, twin? Live Nation has done a great job at locking that down. Wait, actually? Wait, is Live Nation public? Is Live Nation public? Hargo Ben, I appreciate your learning, brother. Right? My point of view, where's there... Like, think about this. Within the huge mega theme, where's the most boring cash flowing business there? Next time you guys go to Coachella, ask yourselves a very big question. Which business has the highest margin? Is it the festival production company? Actual Coachella? Is it the... Jack, you're hilarious. Is it the consumer good? Is it the t-shirt? Is it the merch? Is it the alcohol and beverage? Is it the porta potty? Is it the security staff? Is it the cleanup crew post day 1, day 2, day 3? Is it the sound check? Is it the Airbnb host? Is it the cleaners of the Airbnbs? Right? Is it the rental car companies? Is it the transportation businesses? So next time I'm trying to brainwash you guys to think in the boring business mindset of like, whenever you go to an experience like this, think about all of the different business models that exist there. Jack, unfortunately, you are right. That probably does have the highest margins. It probably goes crazy. I heard a lot of bad things about that. Same thing with that too, Sebastian. So I don't condone any of that. But just think about that, Jet. Just think about that. I think there's something. I think there's something to be said about the porta potty, the an event setup niche. What do you think is the most boring there? I think field service and field maintenance. I think the people that actually like, it's a whole separate private business that comes after the end of every single night and picks up trash. And they probably pay a bag. And their cost and their labor, probably people that are working for pennies. Just to get a quick gig to clean up. Easy. Super easy. Right? Na, 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 na. Live Nation. How's Live Nation doing? Live Nation low-key's been ripping. Odays, what are your thoughts on Live Nation? They have deals with a lot of venues, also own Ticketmaster. Like Live Nation probably did a very strategic playbook of like M&A. The latest news at Live Nation? What is this? What does this stuff mean? He was fired after raising financial misconduct. Is this like bad? I don't. Is this like elite? Ooh. Live Nation illegally monopolized ticketing market. What? Wait, so they like rigged prices? Is that what they did? I was wondering why my Bad Bunny concerts were so expensive. Bro, I had to pay an arm and a leg to see Bad Bunny. Wait, have they been hiking up prices? Dudes, are you serious? I want my money back. Nah, it was worth it. Bad Bunny is a very incredible artist. He's an incredible artist. He was an incredible artist. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do one more thing before we have to do this. Oh wait, he did a vlog. Oh, that's sick. Look at this Cubo traveling and vlogging. Why don't they actually play the real thing though? That's so odd that Spotify like didn't release his full thing. Oh, it's like it's a podcast episode. It's a podcast episode. Okay, wait, before we do that though, I promise you guys real smart money moves. All right, so number 1 draft pick, Fernando Mendoza. How much money is he making? Salary. Let's see. So his ooh wee, sheesh, damn boy, 55 million hundos. All right, $55 million. All right, let's get a glimpse of the scoop. Let's get a little glimpse of the scoop. All right. So, Fernando, wait, you see this? I got a little AI down here. What the heck? Hello, little AI. Wow. Fernando Mendoza. This is how much he's making. And this is if I were in the NFL, what I do, right? Income. Or like some deal, years, annually, right? The deal, no, not Armenian. Sheesh. Okay. The deal is how much? 55,000 space dollars for the Okay. How many years? 4 years. Damn, shorty. 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 Okay. Let me just show you guys something like this, right? You want to know what's absolutely insane is how old is Fernando Mendoza? He's 22. Okay. Age, AUM. Starting balance. Okay, so the starting balance, and then, but you know what? We're gonna make this very dynamic. I'm gonna show you guys the full thing. I'm gonna show you guys literally the full thing. Okay, so starting balance is this annual contributions. Okay. Assume that. And let's just assume portfolio construction. This guy has access to public or index funds, private equity, hedge funds, venture capital, real estate, right? Boom. And then let's do this. Oh, no. I'm gonna cook up. I'm gonna show you guys the full thing. And let's just assume his primary home in Las Vegas is max probably $5 million. Max $5 million. Right? So let's assume if that's the case, the portfolio construction. Okay, so portfolio construction, index funds, mix, AUM. Okay, wait. AUM, or let's say dollars, percent, and we're gonna say total. All right. We're gonna invest this whole $55 million here. Okay, so that means real estate wise, let's assume that we tell him he should likely put. Also, let's talk about the expected return. Oh, I ain't got my tunes going. Hold on, chat. Where my tunes at? Where my tunes at for the boys? Grid lines, I got you, brother. Stevie Wonder, baby, you just made me wanna. That story that. Peace. Let's say he does 40%. He does 40, 20, 20, no, 30, 20, 20. Boom, 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 boom. And then this minus some. Like if I were him, I honestly would do 40% index funds, 30% private equity. Nah, 20% private equity. Yeah, this is a healthy bet. Get that 50% return. Boom. There you go. Good, boys. Okay, let's see what the total portfolio is. All right. So we have
on Airbnb,
Let's show you what the total. Oh, these damn ads. Let's show you what the total portfolio is, boys. So for age, let's see how he's gonna be looking when he's 65 and he wants to retire. Okay. And let's see what the returns are. So this is going to be index funds. Okay. We have index funds, private equity. So if you guys are going to the league, listen to this, watch this. Ba 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 ba. I'm loving it. Okay, okay, and then real estate. Right, boom. Okay, okay. Ba-da-bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Sheesh. Let's do this. Okay, so that is, instead of this, let's actually go with this one here. This one here. Yeah. Let's assume like he might have gotten injured, right? So let's assume this, and then for PE, he has this. For hedge funds, he has this. In venture capital, he's got this. Real estate, real estate, real estate. He got that for the bungalators, for the bungalators. And then total AUM is the sum of all these. Ooh, shoot, my bad, boys. You can't even see everything that I'm doing. You can't even see everything that I'm doing, Shredlords. Come on, twin. Come on, twin. Y'all want to hear my favorite song of the week? You want to hear my favorite song of the week, chat? While I'm doing a little bit of cranking? I'm doing a little bit of cranking. Here we go, Dolly. Dama knows this song. Braz, you're a music head. See if you let me like this. Year league salary and turn that from 13 million to around $2 billion freaking dollars over a career, right? So if you go to the league and you get your check once, you allocate it the right way, you have sound discipline, and you just play it for the long haul, you can become a billionaire by simply playing the ball game of compounding interest. Where do you put your money, champs? Where do you put your money? If I were in the league, right, I would put 40% of my money in the index fund that literally does nothing but touch grass, okay? Index funds are diversified basket of funds doing 10% annually. Private equity. You are then allowed to get access to these private equity funds, and they're getting low teens returns right now. You can also put your money into hedge funds. The Tiger Globals, the Code 2s, the Bridgewaters of the world. They're getting the good ones, at least the good ones, pick the right ones, around a 15% annual clip, all right? Venture capital funds. You're going to have everyone and their mama say like, oh, invest in my startup. Oh, let's do the VC fund. Oh, let's do this, and this. I wouldn't put more than 5% of my wealth into that stuff, but these cats love to do that for some reason. I don't know why they love it. They love to do that for some reason. And then, of course, buy yourself a property, buy yourself an investment property, all that type of stuff, and you're crushing it. How much do they still have available for, let's say, life? What's the fund cash that they have? This is just the NFL salary, right? This is just the NFL salary. You can also spend your, like, marketing and sponsorship, right? Let's see. Sponsorship income, right? His sponsorship income, he had an NIL deal, $2.6 million. You can just assume that every single year he's going to get at least $2 million plus off of just brand deals, ads, things like that. Spend the heck out of that. Enjoy it up. Spend that. But what you get from your actual league salary, do not touch that, Shredlords. Do not touch that. Put that, like, just allocate. And this is simply if you allocate it once and you don't contribute anything. You don't contribute anything else. Like this right here is if you make a sound decision one time in your life, you get a big check from the NFL. And okay, this is actually incorrect because taxes. Totally forgot about that. Let's do this divided by 2 for tax purposes. Taxes. School Bob. Let's see. Right? Boom. That's what they're working with. Post-tax. Even then, you're still making $1 billion. Allocate it the right way once, Shredlords. Once. That's literally all you have to freaking do. You know what I'm saying? Come on, dogs. Come on, doggies. It ain't rocket science. It's just portfolio construction. Porque me encantas. Me encantas. We used to have so many NFL players, NBA players come into the Blackstone, KKR like offices, not knowing anything. Like not knowing anything. I was in a meeting one time. Colin Kaepernick was in there. Other times, like, I can't mention that guy's name, but it's like some other like super really famous YouTuber went in there. Like one of the biggest in the world. Just like crazy things. I was just like, wow, y'all really know what y'all doing. It ain't rocket science. Let's mix it up though. Let's see if we did. What if we did like 5% here? If we did 5%, still the same outcome. Do you have templates? I think my team made some templates. I don't know. I think they have like budget templates or whatever you want to learn one day. Like let us know. Put it in the Discord and let us know. We can make it on stream for you. But I think my team has budget templates, investment books, something like that. I don't know my teammates. I totally forgot. They made all that stuff last year. And what should someone do that knows nothing? How would you say start? I would actually wait, chat. This is a vibe. Oh my God. Hold on. We need, can we please restart that song? Because that was an absolute freaking banger. Let me put you on game real quick, Brass. Let me put you on game real quick. The books that changed my life. I would read these. Read these books. I would read this book here. Teaches you everything you need to know about investing. I would also read this book here. Shows you how to connect, network with people. I would read this book here. It shows you how to run an effective business. All right? This is elite stuff right here. Elite stuff right here. But before all of this, I would actually watch and I'm not even trying to like promote my own book. Like, I'm not even trying to promote my book, and I don't know weird stuff, guys. But like, go to Kenny Finance. Everything I learned on Wall Street. I made this chat. I made this video secretly for my family so that when they ever needed any money advice, when they ever needed any money advice at all, and I was not available, I made it for them to watch this video. This one right here. Oh, no, not this one, not this one. This is my Blackstone video. ¿Por qué no me andas? Okay. Damn, I made a lot of videos. What the heck? Oh, maybe 26 minutes? Is it this one? No. Okay, how about this? I'm sorry. Let me go to my catalog real quick. We gotta figure this out. Boo, 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 scuba. Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, here it is. Oh, yeah, this one. This one right here. This video.
I read the scariest stat this morning that said almost 48% of people do not have any investments at all. That means that nearly half of you are missing out on financial freedom, generational wealth, and millions of dollars that you could be unlocking in stock market investments. And that's a damn shame. But the thing is, this is the exact reason why I made this channel. To help
I miss
people
my hair so
unlock
much.
financial
Oh my
freedom,
God, I miss my hair so
to
much.
make smart money moves and to get their butts invested. So today, that is exactly what I'm here to give you guys. The ultimate, the only, the greatest step-by-step instruction of how to invest for beginners. And I guarantee, and look, I hate making guarantees, but I guarantee that by the end of this video, you will be so confident in your ability to invest and allocate capital towards long-term wealth building.
I made this a year ago.
No one can touch you when it comes to this investing game. So everything that is literally in my head, I am going to put in your head, and I'm going to take everything I learned from Wall Street and shift it to Main Street.
And look, I dive into like everything.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
Subscribers, by the way. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe! Freaking press that damn subscribe button! How did you celebrate your first million? Funny enough, I went to McDonald's. I kid you not. I went to McDonald's. It's like a golden rule of mine. Like some of my biggest, see, I go through budgeting. I go through the investment accounts you need to make. I go through like taxes. I go through active investing. I go through all kinds of stuff. Apps you can use. And none of this is sponsored. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Usually it's a sponsored video, but this one's not sponsored. I talk about how to find investments. I talk about returns you could get. Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. Never sell. Dude, this is such a great video. This is a great video. I love this. I didn't even like my own video. What the heck? Oh, okay. It's because I'm not logged in. But this is for you, man. Thank you, Braz. I'll give it to Braz. Here you go, Braz. And get your butt in the Discord, Braz. Get in Discord. If you are not in the Discord, ping the Instagram, I think. And my team will get you in. My team responds to all my DMs and messages and stuff, so they'll give you the Discord access. Just say that you're on the stream, and then you'll get into Discord. Because the Discord, I think that's the best community. The Discord is the best community because, like, look at this. Here's our Discord. Our Discord has the best community because it has literally all of our like incredible things here. We have all of our stock market stuff. things like this. Like that's where the beauty is in the community like this, you know? Business buying, personal finance, entrepreneurship, little things like that. Then maybe not the right time, but did you get any challenges being black on Wall Street? Dude, yeah. I was the first black analyst at Blackstone. It was not easy, cut. It was not easy. But I pray for the pressure, man. I'm used to it. I pray for the pressure, chat. I pray for that pressure, chat. So that is that. Later? Nah, man, I'm just blessed, bro. Having fun with this. Someone said, how much is it guaranteed? 38 million signing bonus. This is crazy work. These signing bonuses are crazy. So he had a $36 million signing bonus. Imagine he had 36 M's. Let's just generate this. Guys, I'm kind of old. I've been at Blackstone in a long time, for a minute. I was there early. I was there a long time ago. When I was there was only like 5 black people. On the investment team, there were only like less than 5 people on the investment team that were black. Me and my boy Dev, we were the first black analysts. I wasn't the first black analyst in all of private equity, just at Blackstone. No, they don't really. That's a myth, Sebastian. Lock in, shred lords. Luz? No. Nah. Nope. Nope. I do not remember, unfortunately. But I still think they're cool about it. They're probably cool people. Blackstone's the greatest decision I ever made in my life. So, that place got me paid. That place saved my family, upgraded my family, got us out of poverty, man. It put food on my family's table. It got me a resume, and they put that dog in me, you know? So I'm thankful for it. I'm fortunate for it. Kenny, how did you prepare for BXPE? I mean, how did you learn deal sourcing, deal structuring, diligence, investment thesis? All on the job. I learned literally everything on the job. Everything on the job. So like my point of view is like, you just need to have the willingness to learn. You need to be humble. You need to be hardworking. You need to have that natural dog in you to get the seat, to get the internships. And once you get the internships, they teach you everything. They teach you absolutely everything. And it's sink or swim. So you either learn it and you're good or you're fired. So I stuck around and I was able to handle that. Blackstone Infra PE to TAC Ops is possible? Not really. They don't do that much junior laterals. It's usually at the senior level. Like they might bring a head of energy or like an energy MD to be a TAC Ops, T&D lead or things like that, you know? So that's the playbook. Falarian, what up, twin? You're doing great work here. Thank you. You're leveling the playing field and giving access to things that is usually gatekeeping for us. Thank you, man. That's the purpose of my whole channel, dude. That's the whole purpose. My channel, my YouTube channel started, and the OGs know this. My YouTube channel started a year and a half ago, simply to educate my family. Because I come from a poor family in Detroit, and we had nothing growing up. Absolutely nothing. I moved to New York with my first internship with $20 to last me for the whole summer. And then that summer, I made like $14,000, $15,000, and that's more than what my mom made the whole year, you know? And when I was blessed and fortunate to get a full-time job and get these places, it was like, how can I like transfer knowledge from what I'm seeing every day at work to my people back home in Detroit? And I was like, I can't talk to them all damn day, I'm busy. So, YouTube, you know? So that was my thesis, man. Your dad's a cab driver, and that's why you're gonna be the first billionaire in your family, Hargo Ben. All right? You're gonna put on, bro. So that's the point of me having these streams. Like we dance, we have fun, we like freaking shoot the shit, right? To just show you life's about enjoying the process. But at the end of the day, like I want to show you all like the exact playbook of like sound financial judgment that I've seen at the highest of levels. And it's not crypto, it's not day trading, it's not a course, it's not none of that. It's just like, what's the smartest thing to do with money? You know? And with that, the new video comes out on Sunday. Hargo Ben and Sebastian, I saw your guys' recommendations. My team told me you guys put recommendations for content. I appreciate it, but our content is booked for literally the next 8 months. It's already booked, scheduled. I got shoots already lined up. And the stuff you guys wanted to make on like the student stuff, we don't really make content for the students. The streams is like a safe space for the students to ask questions, but we don't make like long-term videos on recruiting and the private equity and all that. Unless I do a brand deal with Leland, I might have something like that coming up. But my long-form content on YouTube is mainly for the mature business owner, investor, private equity audience that are like already in the game. So, but use the Discord to ask questions to each other about that stuff. I just want to relay that feedback because I know the team put me that in my briefing today. That some people were asking about student stuff. This ain't no channel for students. This is people with money that's trying to make some real money. No offense to the student, no offense to the students, but this is a channel designed for millionaires. Just giving it up. I don't want you guys thinking that every Sunday is gonna be a student one. But anyway, yeah, that's what the streams are for, guys. For us to have fun. I don't know how long I'm gonna do the streams, but the streams might be chalk when we go to Asia in June. I'm gonna keep it a buck. The streams might be chalk because it's like Starlink is not legally allowed to be operational in Kyrgyzstan. So I don't know how I'm about to be streaming in Kyrgyzstan. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe June is when we pivot to just a community joint. I don't know. We'll see. I gotta figure it out. We'll see. We'll see. Anything's possible. Anything's possible, boys. Anything's possible. You know? Anything is possible, man. Anything is possible. Biggest thing I learned from Amp It Up that applies to us and then applies to you. So what applies to you guys, the biggest thing from Amp It Up is that you are far more capable than you think you are capable of. Let me say it again. You are far more capable than what you think you are capable of. If you add a layer of intense, like intensity. That's like if you apply a genuine ounce of intensity to everything that you do and understand that there is no tomorrow, you are far more capable of anything you could possibly imagine. That's the biggest learning I had from Amp It Up, right? And then what applies to me, because like I have outside of these streams, like I run a whole private equity fund, guys. I have employees they have kids, we have stakeholders, we have customers, we have all kinds of things. We have investment professionals on the payroll now. We have developers I got to go meet. And it's just like a lot of stuff. And I have to lead by example by showcasing in the day-to-day, 9 to 5, what sound leadership and intensity looks like. My team doesn't know how to be a dog if they don't see me moving and operating.
intentionally like a sound leader, right? Like in SEO, Sebastian knows that there used to be this saying called first in, last out, right? Like, I'm not going to ask the team to do something I wouldn't do myself, you know? So when they see me, they see I'm hustling, they see I'm working, they see I'm focused, they see I'm intentional. Like 9 to 5, like Holdco Kenny is a completely different person from the Stream Kenny. Stream Kenny, this is my safe space to like relax and like debrief. During the daytime, I'm a dog. Like a dog. Okay. It's actually dangerous. It's just like it's like a whole different person, right? And the team, they see that. Like they see what it takes day in, day out to acquire businesses, to scale them, to grow them, to unlock potential. Because I have to ensure that we scale as a company, to scale as an investment fund. I have to ensure that I unlock leadership and potential out of my GMs. I have to make sure that people that work for me, they know exactly what I think they're capable of and how they can get there. So it's just like, it's a whole different animal. And that book, Amp It Up, it's really good. It's really good. But then outside of that book, being a sound leader is more than just like applying intensity and fire under their asses, right? It's also about being someone that can build a family. I think the proudest moment that, bro, I declined HBS like 2-3 years ago. I ain't going back to school. But the biggest thing that you can do as a sound owner and leader now is having that empathy and having that ability to create like a family-like DNA of your businesses. Like when the employees feel emotionally supported, when they feel encouraged, when you have given them everything that they could like potentially have to unlock potential in their lives, it just brings out such a different type of relationship with folks to where it's like, I don't want to let family down, right? It's not just I'm your boss. Like we're family now. That's how we feel. Like they're willing to go the extra mile for the team, for the name, for the brand. And that takes care of the next decades of your portfolio, right? So that's the biggest thing that I'm learning like right now is like how to create family-like fabric in the companies that I own and to unlock incredible, genuine intensity in the people that work there so that we can achieve like all of our commercial objectives and personal objectives. Like my whole team knows I am emotionally invested in everything that they have going on at work, outside of work. I want to see their well-being going on. Like for Portco's, bro, when I went to Miami, I went to baby showers. I go visit family. Like chat, I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's a sad day in one of the week for one of the Portco's. One of the key employees, her father's in the hospital, right? And it's like outside of all the work we got to do, I want to ensure that that key employee knows that she is supported, that we care about her family, and what's going on. I had someone from the office go visit their father in the hospital, her and her father in the hospital. I had them give me the address to the hospital, the unit, and everything, so that I can just send them flowers, letters, support, right? That's going to be there the first thing in the morning. Like you got to treat, but these aren't just employees. These aren't just line items on a P&L. This is real people with real lives, bro. Right? Like I have crazy, like important things to do Saturday and Sunday, so I can't fly there. But if I could, I'd go visit them right now in person, just to show my support in person. But if not, I sent troops out to handle that for me, you know? And we're sending some stuff to them as well. But it's like, it's important, dude. Like if all the future, I know like some real dogs are watching this that have like real bread buying real businesses, like PE guys and stuff. Like don't try to financially engineer yourself to do what I'm doing, right? This isn't a math problem you're solving for. Like you're looking to step into being a real steward of someone's legacy that they've invested 30, 40 plus years into. So be empathetic, be kind, be respectful of that, and treat these businesses like living organisms of incredible people. Right? And I think that's what matters most, chat. That's what matters most. All right, chat. It's nighttime. It's way past my bedtime, chat. But I'm about to get out of here. I'm going to run me a game or two with Boogie on Arc Raiders. And I'm about to get out of here. But y'all take care of yourselves. As always, I say this all the time, chat. You can't do great things if you don't take care of yourself. Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. And you can't do all that alone. So you need a camp. Take care of your team, take care of your camp, and that's what this community is for. And if you aren't in Discord, get y'all busted in the Discord, okay? And then outside of that,
freaking go hard. Keep up with your email. Hit up. Did Anna respond to you? Hold on. I will catch up with Anna tomorrow. I'm gonna tell her King Crash. Cause you wanted to do the camera dude, right? All right. I'm gonna tell King Crash. I'm telling reach out to you. All right, dog. Anyway, outside of that chat, lock in, chase those W's, and get this Billy boys. Cheers. Hey, it's freaking Friday. We out here doing everything. We out here crushing the game. We do what we gotta do best, baby. Smart money moves. God bless all of y'all. I will catch y'all later. See ya. Have a wonderful night. Get this goop. Have that stuff. And good night. It's not a real problem.
And I still got it. I need $1 billion. Yeah, I've been in the lab, so I'm not one you see around. Thinking about my goals, so I'm not fun to be around. Now I want the whole field. Ain't no bush to beat around. I take it to the sky, so I don't ever see the ground. Wild call by, you can say I'm in the hunt now. Living out my fantasy. They love it when I touch down. Flyer than a plane or a pelican. I'm up now. Money, true holiday. I'm playing for the Bucks now. I'm out in BK, Steve Nash. I don't see much, man, I only see cash. You can't be mad, you need to relax. And my favorite drug is hustle, I'm about to relapse. I'm getting all this money just from making these apps. Hope they take care of my hood when I'm paying each tax. I'm managing my waist, so they saying he's trash. But they look me up on Google, they be keeping these tabs. Let's be real about it, I mean I don't really care about how you feel about it.